Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about political parties. This is your civics sixth chapter. You can see here the symbols of national parties: BJP, INC, CPI, CPIM, BSP, and NCP. Now we will discuss here challenges to political parties. Lack of internal democracy within the parties. There is a tendency in parties towards the concentration of power in one or few leaders at the top. So, political parties, as you know, play an important role in democracy. So, it is natural for the people to blame parties for its failures to perform their functions well. Popular dissatisfaction and criticism has focused on various problems in the working of political parties. Lack of internal democracy means that there is a lack of internal democracy within the parties. For example, organizational elections are not held regularly. Most of the decisions are taken by the president or top leaders in the party. Ordinary members do not have any say in the decision making process of the party. Sometimes those who disagree with the leadership find it difficult to continue in the party. More than loyalty to party principles and policies, personal loyalty to the leader becomes more important. As a result of it, there is tendency towards the concentration of power in one or few leaders at the top. In many parties, the top positions are always controlled by the member of one family. There are very few ways for an ordinary workers to rise to the top in party. Now, due to the growing role of money and muscles power. Money and muscles power means कि political party want to win elections at all costs. Parties use money power to purchase votes and finance high-pitched campaigns. Rich candidates are nominated so that they may win the election. Not only this muscle power is also used during election, it is used to voters capture booths and threaten opposition campaign. In some cases, political parties support and select criminal who can win election. Democrats all over the world are worried about the increasing role of rich and criminals in the democratic policies. Very often do not seems to offer meaningful choice to the voters. For example, the difference between the Labour Party and the Conservative Party in Britain is very little. Now, there is a need of reformation of political parties. It means the constitution was amended to prevent elected MLAs or MPs from changing party. The law says that if any MLA or MP changes party, he or she will lose the seat in legislature. Now, it is mandatory for every candidate who contest election to fill an affidavit giving details of his property and criminal case pending against him. Now, basically, the functions of political parties are to fill political offices and exercise political power. Now, government should give parties money to support their election expenses. This support could be given in kind, petrol, paper, or telephone, etc. Clear? Now, the government should give parties money to support their elections. People can put pressure on political parties through petitions, publicity, and agitations. Pressures group and movements and media can play an important role in it. Political parties can improve if those who want this join political parties. The quality of democracy depends on the degree of public participation. कि regular the internal affairs of the political parties means कि a law should be made to regulate internal affairs of political parties. Clear? Second is, it should be made mandatory for political parties to give 1/3 tickets to women candidates. They should be given adequate representation in the decision making bodies. Clear? And in order to put curb on money power, there should be state funding of elections. The government should give parties money to support their elections. Expenses. This support could be given in kind of petrol, paper, etc. It could be given in cash. Clear? It could be on the basis of votes secured by party in the last election. So, people can also put pressure on political parties through petition, publicity and agitations. Some pressure may make political parties more serious about reform. So, people should join political parties in large numbers so that they may improve the working of political parties being member of that party. Or it is easier to reform a party from within rather than from outside. Now, this is the end of your chapter.